Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. It is going to be a complete love reading. So, I'll be picking cards for your past and present love energies and your future love energies, guys. Cancers. So, these cards are for your past and present, guys, and the future. These cards are for the future of your love situation. So we will start with the past and the present and then move on to the future energies, guys. Cancers. So we have the Hermit, World, and Ten of Cups. So Cancers, in your past, in your love situation, you would have felt a sense of satisfaction, completion. So you have uh, you have been really an open person, truthful to your heart. So whatever you felt, right, you were um, speaking that this may be your energy or this person's energy. So that may be the reason for happiness we see here. So you are a very honest person, truthful to your heart's desires. So whatever you felt, right, or whatever you felt in your heart, you were able to speak it out, and you were able to have that honest relationship with that person you love. And you would have made you would have made this honesty your policy because you have a deep knowledge about your circumstances, so about your life in general. So you are a very experienced person. You know in your heart of hearts what will work right or what will make things go in a positive way in your situation. So you have honesty as your main goal in life. So you are truthful to this person you loved in your past. So let's see. And that is what happening right now also, guys. So these cards are for the past and the present. So you are really truthful. You don't have any inhibitions to show what you are, your deep desires and your secrets. So you are sharing everything with this person you love. So let's see what is the future of this connection, guys. So we have Queen of Wands in reverse, Tower, and Seven of Cups. So, with these cards, Cancers, we see there are some changes coming in your situation. Some things which you may not like, guys. Maybe you are jealous of them or they are having some kind of jealousy towards you. Or the reason for troubles may be jealousy, or this person has many goals, aspirations, or it may be your energy again. So you have many goals or aspirations. That may be the reason for these changes coming in. So you want to maybe settle first in life, plan your future in your career, then move on to that deep commitment in your personal life. So it may be your energy or their energy, guys. So your dreams and your goals are different. So that may be the reason for sudden changes coming up in your love situation, Cancers, in your future. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your love reading. Stay tuned and watch that pick a card oracle guidance. So that may give you more clarity in your situation, guys, Cancers. For your general oracle guidance, guys, these are the cards. So, this is your first card, and this is your second card. So, you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start with the first card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. It is Clean It Up. So that is the card for y'all. So with this card, the energy is, it just means getting to the core of a situation, freedom from burden. So every now and then we feel bogged down by that emotional gunk that we have. So maybe we are surrounded by clutter in our house or in our work situation, overwhelmed. So it is time to clean the house today. So everything that is out of place, everything that is not needed there, when it is there, it just occupies that place, and it, what to say, it creates a negative energy in our situation, guys. It takes up that energetic space. So every unpaid bill or unnecessary thing, when it is removed, we are cleaning our energetic space. So when we just make room for ourselves, we are just giving more space for miracles to take place in our life. So we need to make space for that positivity to come into our life, guys. So anything unresolved you have to go for that, guys. You have to sweep it away today. So that is the reading with this card. That is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the second card here for those who have chosen this card. This card, Mookaite Jasper. So let's see. With this card, guys, the energy is that this is a time for you to go on a new adventure. Maybe take few risks, experience that unknown territory in your life. So the safe road is not the one you need to take right now, guys, because your soul is on the path of healing and it wants to experience that fulfillment and joy today. So this crystal, it stands for that adventurous mode of living, guys. Do not protect yourself, do not hold back from getting hurt, for this crystal is here to encourage you to take that leap, take that risk, have that confidence from knowing that universe is here guiding you each and every step of the way, guys. So you need to let go of your worries, your old beliefs. So step out and take that path, take that risk maybe. So you need to be on a adventurous mode and say no to playing it safe, guys. So this crystal stands for that adventure, and through adventure you are going to discover that wonderful gifts are waiting for you, new ideas, new people, new experiences, new possibilities are here right now ready for you. So all you need to do is to be bold and take that first step. So that is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.